guys!
Hello guys! Hello guys!
We are gonna do... What are we doing today?
Mulan makeup.
We are gonna do a Mulan makeup tutorial and she is so excited! What do we need for Mulan's makeup?
Why?
We already have her hair. This is Mulan's hair right now.
This is the ponytail on my head.
And then, so Mulan has a... What color is her foundation?
Blue.
Blue foundation?
Maybe white.
Maybe white. Did you see it? Do you remember? White. Okay. What do we need for foundation? Since we don't have white foundation, we're gonna use the Baby Ganix sunscreen.
Yeah.
She doesn't like putting sunscreen on her face. Boop, 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 boop. Pero
Not on inside my.
But since we're not going out anywhere, we're just gonna use the sunscreen on her face right now. Kasi sayang. We're locked down. Boop, 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 boop. And then what's the next one? Cheeks. Cutie pie pie. What's the color of Mulan's cheeks?
Pink.
Pink. Are you sure?
Navy red.
Red,
Navy
red.
Navy
So,
red.
Maybe navy red? Bakit navy red? Andali. Where are you going? Pum, 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 pum. Pum, 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 pum. Oh no, that's not your cheeks. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, do you see it? Is it red enough?
Yes.
Okay, and then we need your lipstick to be red too. You're so cute. Alright, there you go. You see it?
Ooh.
Alright, and then the next one is the forehead. What's on her forehead?
Yeah.
Yellow. It represents the sun. The bright sun right over there. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, blend, 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 blend. There you go. Then the last thing is the phoenix tail. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, let's not forget your eyebrows. What's the color of her eyebrows?
Blue.
Blue. Is it light blue or dark blue?
Light blue.
What?
Light blue.
Is it? No, it's not.
Dark blue.
It's dark blue.
Black.
Black. It is actually black, but... Alright, what do you think? Do you look like Mulan now?
Yes.
Yes? You're so pretty. Mwah. Good night, Mulan. Yeah, this is... Bye.
I'm gonna show you my next video.
You're gonna show the next video? Oh, that's it? Uh-huh. What do you want to say?
Click my video if you want to watch. My video is so great. You can make it on your own.
It's so great. You can make it on your own. All right.
You can show your own video and you can download my videos and subscribe,
Click and
thumbs up.
and thumbs up. All right. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.